Welcome back. Now in this tutorial we'll be talking about the containers, the Bootstrap 5 containers. Bootstrap 5 also require a containing element to wrap site content, right? Bootstrap 5 requires a containing element to wrap site content. We all know what container is on our layman language, right? So it's also it is applicable to Bootstrap 5 to redesigning a web page using Bootstrap 5. And we have two types of container. The first is the class container itself, and the second is the class container field. Okay, the first, which is the class container, provides a responsive fixed width container. All right, and while the class field container provides a full width container. What it means by full width for class container field is once you use container field for your Bootstrap 5 project, you have to all what you'll be doing will contain the full width of the screen you are using, be it a mobile device, a laptop, a desktop, or a larger screen. Bootstrap 5 container field class will contain the full width of the container, while the container class provides a fixed width. It doesn't have it will not contain the whole width of the container. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to do here now is we talk about the fixed width container and container padding. All right, now use the container class to make a responsive and fixed width container, right? Note that its width, which is the max width, will change on various screen size. Now here on the screen, on this table now, we have different types of screen size and the max width for each of the screen size. Okay, we have the extra small screen size, which is less than 576 pixels, and which the max width is 100%. Okay, now we have the small screen size, which is greater than or equal to 576 pixels, and the max width is 540 pixels. All right, now we have the medium screen, which is greater than or equal to 768 pixels, and the max width is 720 pixels. Okay, and now we have the large screen, which is greater than or equal to 992 pixels, and the max width is 960 pixels. All right, and we have the large screen, the extra large screen, which is greater than or equal to 1200 pixels, and the max width, which is the maximum width it can take, is 1140 pixels. And we have the extra large screen, which is greater than or equal to 1400 pixels, and the maximum width it can take is 1320 pixels. All right, so now after that we are going to container padding. All right, so by default container have the left and right padding with no top or bottom padding, right? Therefore we frequently use spacing utilities, for example additional padding and margin, to make them look more appealing, right? For instance, we have the PT, the padding top to be 5, signifies add an enumerous top padding. Okay, signifies add an numerous top padding. Okay, so now that is all about the container padding. The next thing we are going to do now, is the grid system. So stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thank you.